Blaster valve. High-flow blaster bite valve self-seals after each sip and features a twist-on-off bar to prevent leaks when not in use. Flexible, non-kinking tube designed for easy routing. Plug-and-play, universal 1/4 in diameter fitting with quick connect system. 100% BPA PVC free, no weird taste, no unnecessary and harmful chemicals. Beyond lifetime. If you experience any issue, we'll repair or replace the item for free. Whatever it takes to keep your adventure going. Top reviews from the United States. Great. I use this to replace the Nathan tube that came with my hydration pack. It fits perfectly. The bite valve is a lot like the Nathan phaser, which is their new one. Easy to use.